We were working on this form in our previous videos. We have a text box here with the type text. It has a name, username. It has ID, which is also username. Then the value attribute, and then the placeholder attribute. These attributes are very useful, but for this moment, I will delete them so the file does not look messy. Save the file. Now the code looks clean. Let me add a break tag, as the input tag is an inline level tag. Then I'm gonna write the paragraph tag, and here let's say we will ask user for their password. So the text would be password colon. Then we will have another input field. I'm gonna close the input field as it is an unpaired tag, and here the type would be password. So now if I save the file, you can see we have another text box, and here if user writes something, the text will be shown in the form of dots. Behind the scene it is in plain text, but in the web page it will be shown as dotted text. So whenever we accept passwords from our user, we should use the input field with the type password. Then we can give this field a name, which would be user password, and we can give an ID, which will be also user password. Save the file, and keep in mind that two input field should not have same name, and two input field should not have same ID. This name, there should be different. This ID and this ID should be different. So I'm trying to say that every input field's name and ID should be unique. And we can write the value attribute here, which will be empty, and we can give a placeholder as well. For example, enter your password. Save the file. You can see the placeholder, which is enter your password. And we can give other attributes we learned in the previous video, like min length. It should be 6. That means user has to write at least 6 characters here, otherwise he won't be able to submit this form. We can give other attributes like disabled, then we have required, and those other attributes. This is how we get sign up data or other kind of form data with the help of input tag and its attributes.